Okay, it's Tuesday. Not Tuesday. I'm sorry. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Oh, okay. Wednesday. Let's start that over. Um, we're going to continue to be on future space exploration, could see humans on Mars, alien planets. And today you're going to be doing the language development portion of it. So if you want to do it in your book and um, just send me a document, you can do that. Concept vocabulary. We've got 3 words. It goes over why those words are there. Write your ideas to add another word that fits into the category. Um, do the practice word study. There's a Latin suffix here that they're going to have you find the precise meaning of all these words so you can understand the suffix. Um, and all the way down to conventions. I would do word network also and conventions. And let's see if they have you do anything here or if it's just there to learn from. Okay, so you get the present and the present participle, the past and the past participle. Yeah, just go ahead and do that today. You might want to reread the news article and just to make that fresh in your mind. Again, let's see, for math today, we're going to be doing volume and surface area word problems. So that looks like there's about 3 videos and 1 practice, so it should be able to get through today, especially since there's no science again today. And for social studies, you're going to be on page 150. The fighting begins. This is the Boston Tea Party. This is where the Revolutionary War really kicks into full gear. And go ahead and go to 155. That's where the review questions are. Go ahead and do them all except for the identify. So I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. Remember, tomorrow is going to be a free day. So please, please, please use it to its fullest to make up anything you need to make up. All right. You guys have a good one. I will talk to you. Well, I won't talk to you tomorrow, but I will talk to you next week. All right.